Hello and welcome to this tutorial on joint application development for software engineering. JAD is a methodology that involves bringing together stakeholders, developers, and end users in collaborative workshops to design and develop computer applications that solve real-world problems. Let's take a closer look at what JAD is all about. Joint application development, or JAD, is a methodology that has become increasingly popular in software engineering. JAD involves the client or end user in the design and development of an application through a succession of collaborative workshops called JAD sessions. These workshops are typically held in a neutral location, away from the workplace, to allow for focused, uninterrupted time to work on the project. During these sessions, stakeholders, developers, and end users work together to gather requirements, create prototypes, and test solutions. The JAD methodology is highly interactive and collaborative, allowing for rapid development and testing of new ideas. The end result is an application that meets the needs of all stakeholders and end users, and is highly effective in solving real-world problems. JAD has several benefits in software engineering. For one, it allows for the quick and efficient gathering of requirements from end users and stakeholders, ensuring that the final application meets their needs. JAD also promotes collaboration and teamwork among stakeholders, developers, and end users, resulting in a higher quality end product. Another advantage of JAD is that it allows for rapid prototyping and testing of solutions. This means that developers can quickly create and test different ideas, iterating on them until the final solution is found. In summary, joint application development is a powerful methodology that has become increasingly popular in software engineering. By involving stakeholders, developers, and end users in the design and development process, JAD ensures that the final application meets everyone's needs and solves real-world problems. Thanks for watching this tutorial on joint application development for software engineering. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.